Okay, so the handle to the faucet broke off. That's the handle to the faucet. Okay, you don't want to keep using this with pliers because eventually you're going to strip it all the way out. So they sell the universal piece, reliable 004196, and this universal piece, because it has this right here, this could go either way to fit on whatever size tread you have in here. Watch it don't fit on any of mine. That's the way it goes. So you get it on there, and then this can fit on either way it goes. Either way it flips, this could go on either way it goes. That one feels smaller, this one's bigger, but this is stripped out a little bit, so I'm just gonna tap it on. Actually, I'm gonna put some grease on there and then tap it on. And then not only do they give you the universal ones, they give you the universal size screws to go all the way in here. But that looks filled with crud also. So I'm gonna actually probably WD-40 this before I tap that on, or put some little grease in there before I tap that on. This way I'll know I'll be able to get it off. But this is the adapter part, and it goes onto either side. I got it from Lowe's. Talk to you later. Okay, the screws they gave me were still too long, so I had to put some washers on them. These are all the size washers I had to fit in there so it could get a good bite. Close enough for government standards. It don't pop off and I can still turn it. I'll probably put, actually I'm probably gonna put one more washer. Yeah, that's good enough right there. It's working. That'll probably rattle with the wind. I'll put one more washer and then call it a day.